In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up calories on MyFitnessPal. This is a great feature that helps you track your nutrition effectively. Let's start with the first step. Open the MyFitnessPal app. You will see the main dashboard, which is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. This screen typically displays your daily food intake, exercise, and other metrics. If you have already set up an account, your data will be visible here. If not, you can create one in just a few moments. This step is crucial as it allows you to access all the features MyFitnessPal offers, including calorie tracking. Next, tap the More menu button, which is represented by three dots located in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. When you tap this button, a new menu will appear that offers several options related to your account and settings. This menu provides access to various features like food diary, friends, and goals. By knowing where to find this menu, you streamline your navigation through the app, making it easier to set your calorie goals. From there, select the Goals option from the list. This action will take you to a section where you can adjust your fitness and nutrition targets. Here, you can set goals for weight loss, muscle gain, and nutritional intake. Setting these goals is important because it tailors the app to fit your personal health objectives. It ensures that the guidance you receive is relevant and helpful for your journey. Now, tap on Calorie, Carbs, Protein, and Fat Goals under the Nutrition Goals section. This is where the magic happens. You'll be able to see your current goals for calories, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Adjusting these goals allows you to align your daily intake with your nutritional needs. Remember, having specific targets can significantly enhance your progress and accountability. After that, tap directly on the Calories field to open the editing window. This window allows you to input your desired calorie target. It's important to have a clear understanding of your daily caloric needs based on your activity level and weight goals. By adjusting this number, you can better manage your intake and stay on track with your health objectives. Next, type in your new preferred daily calorie target number. Make sure this number aligns with your personal health goals. Whether you are looking to lose, maintain, or gain weight, the right calorie target is essential. Inputting an accurate number helps personalize your experience with MyFitnessPal, ensuring you have the best chance of success on your health journey. Finally, tap the checkmark or save button at the top right to lock in your new target. This confirms your changes and updates your goals within the app. You should see a confirmation appear, letting you know that your new calorie target has been successfully saved. This final step is essential because it ensures that all your efforts to set your goals are not in vain. Now you know how to set up calories on MyFitnessPal. Following these steps will help you tailor your nutrition goals effectively. Remember, tracking your calories can significantly impact your journey toward better health. Thank you for watching and happy tracking.